Hello and welcome to Indian Drives. In this video of Auto Shots, we bring you this week's news from our automotive industry. Before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our interesting news and car reviews. Renault Kwid sells more than 4 lakh units in India. Renault, which is in its 10th year of operations in India, has reached a milestone of delivering 4 lakh Kwid to their happy customers in India. The Kwid is one of the most affordable hatchbacks in its segment since its launch in 2015. Renault focuses on a minimal yet functional design to attract the young and progressive generation of buyers. The Kwid comes with features like a digital speedometer, a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Kwid is currently available in 9 variant trims with its economical and pocket-friendly powertrain options, the 800cc and the 1000cc engine with both manual and automated manual transmission. For an effortless driving experience, the AMG variant has been the buyer's choice lately. Hyundai 7 concept unveiled at LA Auto Show. Hyundai Motor unveiled the 7 concept at the LA Automobility event. The 7 concept is the brand's future projections for the step towards the sports utility electric vehicle SUEV platform. The 7 concept was showcased under Hyundai's EV subsidiary Hyundai Ioniq. The 7 concept is architectured on Hyundai's electric global modular platform. This platform allows the 7 concept to create a new class of electric vehicles, as the 7 concept showcases an innovative airy cabin with loads of spaces, as the 7 concept does not follow the traditional row seating and utilizes the flat floor with no drivetrain tunnels. Owing to its 3.2 meter long wheelbase, it is an experience of a lounge on wheels with furniture-inspired interior seating layout. Hyundai says they are following a human-centered approach for the 7 concept, as the 7 will get individualized personalization. What makes the 7 a human-centered vehicle is the transition from focusing on the driving experience to the comfort and riding experience by creating an environment of space and luxury for the customers to spend some quality time with each other in their own premium lounge with autonomous driving modes. Bajaj Auto starts delivering the Pulsar 250. Bajaj Auto had launched the Pulsar 250 last month and has now started delivering the bike. The first Pulsar was delivered in Pune from the dealership at Chinchwad on 15th of November. The Bajaj Pulsar 250 continues to be a true performance machine like its predecessors and is powered by a single-cylinder 4-stroke SOHC 2-valve oil-cooled FI engine, which produces 24.5 horsepower and 21.5 Nm of torque. The Bajaj Pulsar is offered in 2 body styles, the Pulsar F250, a semi-fair street racer, and the Pulsar N250, a naked street fighter. The Pulsar 250 is priced at an ex-showroom price of Rs 1.38 lakhs for the N250 variant and Rs 1.40 lakh for the F250 variant. The Pulsar 250 is available in 2 vibrant color options, Techno Grey and Racing Red. Kia to globally reveal the upcoming MPV, the Caren. Kia Motors is going to globally reveal their latest generation of MPV, the Caren. While the Caren has been in production for years in the global market, it is also known by the name of Kia Rondo in a few countries. The Caren will be the 4th product launch from Kia in India. Kia had recently trademarked the name Caren, which suggests it will be badged under the same name in India. The Caren is supposed to be sharing the powertrain with the ongoing Seltos in both diesel and petrol variants. It will be offered with similar high-tech premium features like the Seltos and Sonet. The Caren will rival the 6 and 7-seater compact SUVs like the Hyundai Alcazar and will sit below the higher-end MUVs, the Innova Cresta. With a global reveal in December, we can expect it to be revealed and launched here in India by early 2022. If you like our content, then do like this video and subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on our daily uploads.